With 50 plus enterprise clients, 43 current use cases, and an impressive certified 10,000 transactions per second, AERGO is a fourth generation open source public blockchain. Korea Technology Finance Corporation, nonprofit government affiliated institution, is the most recent customer using AERGO mainnet in an effort to streamline the mandatory document submission process. AERGO will be the core technology of the DTT Alliance, a corporate community that aims to jointly resolve various market opportunities and barriers by looking at the future of data authentication and distribution market. The DTT Alliance plans to continuously expand its membership. Currently, it is in discussions with domestic and foreign cloud providers as it plans to grow into a leading global blockchain TSA alliance. In the future, it plans to engage in global standardization activities for TSA-related technologies based on blockchain, all based on AERGO.
안녕하세요. Aseyo. Thank you very much for being here today. And thank you very much for the invitation. As you know, Chili's is actually a company based in Malta that is listed on Upbit. We are now 75 people, and what we do is tokenizing sports teams. We work with Barcelona, Juventus, Paris Saint-Germain, and so many sports teams all over the world, including esports teams from Dota, StarCraft, and everything. And the last 12 months has been very, very busy, but the next 12 months are going to be even more. So we hope you're going to follow this journey. We are very strong in Korea, as you remember, because I've spent my time, and you probably have seen me a few times during the last 2-3 years in Seoul, and I miss Korea. I hope I can come back after the COVID crisis very, very soon. And please follow us, please support us. We are one of the biggest mainstream and adoption-related blockchain company, and that's Chili's and Socios.com. So thank you very much, and see you soon.
Welcome to Cartesi. Cartesi is a project that started in early 2018 with the objective of providing the convenience and scalability of the mainstream software world to dApp developers and users. In 2020, Cartesi released Descartes, a blockchain-agnostic Layer 2 system that provides powerful features to smart contracts and dApps. Scalable computation. dApps built with Descartes achieve large computational scalability over massive amounts of data without compromising on decentralization or security. Privacy. dApp data is not disclosed on-chain. Data can remain private to the parties involved in the application. And finally, the most important feature that sets Cartesi apart from the other Layer 2 scaling solutions, dApp logic can be built directly on top of Linux, using OS resources such as the file system and myriad open-source software libraries and tools from the mainstream software world.
Decentralized cloud computing public blockchain. We provide high-performance solutions especially for enterprises and high-throughput applications. In addition to cluster nodes to work with any cloud computers, we have a suite of high-end technologies ready for the future, including parallel processing, innovative AED post-consensus, and multi-layer sidechains, etc. ELF treats itself as an operating system of blockchain, which means any kinds of industrial applications can run in a trustless and secure way. The performance can support at least 10,000 TPS, which is the key for enterprise solutions. And for different industries like logistics, supply chain, government services, real estate, etc. Each of these scenarios are running on a specific ELF sidechain, thus making one use case for one chain. The core function of ELF underlying system will be upgraded by ELF on-chain governance process, and any token holders can participate. Importantly, we devised a dedicated tokenomics, especially for this system running in healthy manner. Thank you.
Today, pets can be easily encountered around us with a change.
Cryptocurrency prices are volatile. Warren Buffett said that you shouldn't hold for 10 minutes if you can't hold for over 10 years. But hodling seems impossible in this type of volatile market. So we created Never Lose Money, the first ever social hodl protocol on Ethereum. You can lock up your crypto for a set period, and you can still break the contract within the lockup period, but you'll be charged a 10% penalty. This will be shared with other hodlers as a bonus. Imagine if you hodled Ethereum 4 years ago, you could have earned 35,000% profit. Never Lose Money can help you invest in crypto like Warren Buffett. Remember the number 1 rule? Never lose money. And rule number 2? Don't forget rule number 1.
IOTX is an open source blockchain platform, and it's building what we call the Internet of Trusted Things, an open ecosystem where all humans, machines, businesses and the apps can interact with trust and privacy. IOTX not only enables people and businesses to own their IoT data, but also to utilize, tokenize and monetize their data, converting them into digital assets, a concept that we call DeFi-IoT. To make this possible, IOTX is bringing real-world verifiable IoT data to the blockchain for use in smart contracts. The first demonstration of this vision is with Pebble, a decentralized asset tracking device that provides a trusted real-time view of an asset's surrounding environment, sending verifiable location, climate, motion and light data to trigger smart contracts. If you are interested in building on top of IOTX, please check out the documentation website or reach out to us on Telegram. Thank you.
The Integrated Mobility Ecosystem, ENVL. ENVL believes data from vehicles could completely change the mobility ecosystem, so MVL records all the data related to mobility within ENVL's ecosystem in the blockchain. ENVL's mobility ecosystem today consists of ride-hailing service, delivery service, chauffeur service, e-vehicle, and e-vehicle's charging infrastructure. An ecosystem that allows you to use the ride-hailing service under zero-commission policy. Experience tradition and modernity at the table with fresh food quickly delivered, and return home safely with zero-commission chauffeur service even after drinking. Besides, e-vehicle and a charging infrastructure for convenient battery swap will be incorporated into ENVL's ecosystem. Existing mobility that is familiar to us and mobility that suggests a new paradigm in the future. Envel would like to share and build such a mobility ecosystem with all members of Envel's ecosystem together. Trust-driven Envel.
What do you hope to see as well as a result of this partnership?
Well, first of all, thanks for partnering with us. It's great. I think by partnering with PanDX, we actually enable ourselves to the next step of transacting, right?
Hi, my name is Matthew Liu. I'm one of the co-founders of Origin Protocol. At Origin, our mission is to enable true peer-to-peer commerce. We want to allow buyers and sellers to connect on the blockchain and transact without any intermediaries. We have two main products, the first of which is DShop, our decentralized e-commerce platform that counts Brave, Google, Solana, and many other companies as partners. Our second product is the Origin Dollar, OUSD. OUSD is a stablecoin that automatically earns yield while it's sitting in your wallet. It utilizes many of the top DeFi platforms to earn this yield passively and continuously, so you don't have to do any of the hard work. We want to thank the entire Upbit team and community for inviting us to the Upbit Developer Conference. We look forward to a great conference.
Hi, I'm Li Jun, founder of Ontology. Ontology is high-performance open-source blockchain focused on decentralized identity and data, also build the trust collaboration protocol on blockchain. We are excited to provide decentralized identity and data solution to traditional industry, and looking forward to exploring more partners. We'll work together to build global use case and global scenarios through blockchain to work for a new decentralized trust collaboration world. Welcome, work together with Ontology to build a new world. Thanks.
With the world's greatest number of tech startups per capita, Israel is recognized by most as the startup nation. A hallmark of this Israeli technological prowess is the audacity to solve what others have called unsolvable. This courage applies to blockchain as well. Many of the most well-known crypto projects are based in Israel, with ORBS being one of the biggest and most successful blockchain firms amongst them. The ORBS platform is built as a decentralized, open and transparent network, providing public blockchain infrastructure as a service for large-scale uses. Founded in 2017, ORBS is being developed by a dedicated team of more than 30 people out of its offices in Tel Aviv, Israel, Singapore, and Seoul, South Korea. With some of the brightest minds Israel has to offer, ORBS is at the forefront of blockchain innovation. Join us. Become part of the ORBS blockchain revolution.
The future of blockchain is large-scale enterprise and consumer applications. P-Chain's unique native EVM multi-chain blockchain design makes it a reality. P-Chain's scaling architecture supports fast transaction speed, high scalability, and large workloads. Changsheng Smarty, P-Chain's first private commercial child chain, disrupts the passenger and freight vehicle industries. Award-winning CCC used by over 100,000 passengers, over 1,000 travel vehicles, and over 6,000 freight vehicles since launched in May 2019. P-Chain's second commercial child chain, Lafoy Wine, is DCEP-enabled, prevents wine counterfeit costing billions of dollars a year, and disrupts the wine cross-border industry. Moving forward, P-Chain focuses on mass adoption by bridging enterprise large-scale CCC applications with public blockchains.
Hello everyone, it's my great pleasure to be here to introduce QuarkChain at UDC 2020. QuarkChain is designed to be the next generation heterogeneous sharding blockchain platform. it achieves very high performance while sharding a multi-chain technologies. Its unique feature is heterogeneous sharding, which allows different shard chains to run different consensus, ledger model, or even token economies. We are going to launch QuarkChain 2.0, codenamed Big Bang, which will further allow users to create their native tokens to pay transaction fees and perform value transfers. If you are more interested in QuarkChain, please take a look at ..quarkchain.io. Thank you very much.
Many blockchain platforms suffer from two fundamental flaws: accessibility and accountability. Radium fixes these issues and more. Radium is a fast, eco-friendly proof-of-stake distributed ledger with a maximum supply of 9 million coins, making it an excellent deflationary asset. Stakers are rewarded for securing the network, which in turn protects sensitive information from being altered by hackers and thieves. With Radium, you can manage your decentralized identity, participate in decentralized elections, create custom assets, store and validate data, and much more via the Smart Chain. Radium is easy to use via the Smart Chain Zero client, so you don't need to download, configure, or sign up with third parties, handing over your private information. And best of all, Radium and all of its features are available for use right now, so everyone can be empowered by the Radium blockchain today.
With the use of blockchain technology, we're finally seeing something new, really interesting opportunity for gamers to appear. This is what we call the open metaverse. In the open metaverse, you no longer have a central authority like a game developer that is going to define what you can do in the game and what you can do with the content you bought in the game. This is what Sandbox is offering, as well as some other decentralized virtual world where all the content, all the tokens and currencies are actually owned by the user via their wallet or their accounts, just to keep things simple. And as such, the users, the players, can transfer those tokens, those belongings as a digital game asset without asking
blockchain and scalable token platform that offers fast payments at very low cost, along with trustless cross-chain interop. Mainnet since 2014, Syscoin has delivered innovation for over 6 years. Security is paramount. Syscoin is merge mined with Bitcoin and is Bitcoin Core compliant with added time locks. Syscoin's ZDAG makes UTXO tokens near instant and brings scalability that is third-party attested to 61,000 TPS within realistic conditions on global networks. Network-enforced business rule sets can be activated by token issuers to serve many uses, like on-chain compliance for money, which cannot be evaded, or custom fees. Our trustless bridge works with ERC20, making Syscoin a great scaling solution for Ethereum users. Syscoin is uniquely ideal for payments, stablecoins, loyalty points, and e-commerce.
Welcome to the THETA Network. Earn T-Fuel crypto rewards simply by watching live streams and videos. As you watch and share with others, you're contributing to the decentralized THETA Network, all powered by THETA's native blockchain. Discover the future of video delivery at thetanetwork.org.
디지털 자산 범죄 피해자들을 어떻게 도울 수 있을까? 우리의 보안은 바로 이 질문에서 시작되었습니다. 웁살라 시큐리티만의 독자적인 AI 머신러닝으로 디지털 자산 부정 거래를 사전에 식별하고 의심 거래를 신속 정확하게 추적합니다. FATF 권고안을 준수하는 웁살라 시큐리티의 가상자산 AML 솔루션은 현재 글로벌 기업과 정부 기관에 제공되고 있습니다. 4개 해킹 범죄의 피해자로부터 직접 신고받은 블랙리스트 지갑 주소와 위협 데이터들은 보안 전문가들의 분석과 검증을 거쳐 자사의 데이터베이스에 저장됩니다. 집단지성의 힘, 모두의 신고와 참여로 웁살라 시큐리티의 보안은 점점 더 강력해집니다. 보안 기술로 세상을 더 안전하게 웁살라 시큐리티